Welcome back to Science Showdown. I'm your host and judge, Paula Hollywood. And today's game is the Great Frisco Baking Show. In today's competition, we'll decide who has the greatest baking skills. Who knows, maybe someone will even get a Hollywood handshake. Let's meet our competitors.
Hi, my name's Lauren. I am from Frisco, Texas. I have 2 cats. And I love baking cookies. I've been told I'm a cookie genius.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm also from Frisco, Texas, and have 2 beautiful cats. I love baking very intricate desserts for picnics with my husband.
Welcome, Lauren and Ashley. Today's showstopper competition is to make a delicious mug cake. The mug cake must be moist, delicious, and it must be made in a microwave. Your time starts now. Ashley, can you tell us about what you're making today?
Sure, Paula. Today I'm making a vanilla funfetti mug cake. I have all of my ingredients measured out and ready to go right here.
That's very smart. Have you made this recipe before?
Yes, Paula. This is one of my favorite recipes to make. It always makes me feel like a chemist.
Lauren, can you tell us what you're working on today?
Well, Paula, I will be making a vegan peanut butter mug cake.
Vegan baking can be tricky. Have you made this recipe before?
Yes, I've made it about 100 times practicing for this moment. I'm using baking powder as my raising agent, so I'm not worried.
We'll see.
Don't worry, it'll be great.
Baking can be tricky, especially with small batches like mug cakes. Too much egg and your cake can get rubbery. At-home bakers, make sure your measurements are precise so you get the perfect bake. It's down to the wire. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. Please bring your bakes to the table. Ashley, let's try your cake first. I love the bright colors, very youthful, reminds me of birthdays. Cuts well. Now let's see the taste. Very good, sweet. All right, well done, perfect cake.
Guess what? I got a Hollywood handshake. Squee!
Lauren, your cake is next. And see, it's chocolate with peanut butter. I love the way that the chocolate is melting on the top. Very fluffy texture. Let's see, taste. Very good. Chocolate is nice and rich. I could see myself eating this. Yeah, could be a favorite. Well done.
I'm speechless. I'm in utter shock.
Lauren and Ashley, you've both done an amazing job. Both of your cakes were delicious and flavorful. I'm going to give the title of Great Frisco Baking Show champion to both of you.
This is one of the best days of my life.
You'll never believe this. I'm a co-champion. Squee!
Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.